on a mission, I'm fire. I get that target acquired. Claiming you pass me, you liar. Watch how I'm speeding right by you. Burning rubber off your tires. Smoke clouds when I'm driving. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like whoa. Every day I'm touching road. Hellcat sitting low. I go 205 with whistle, I hit the nitro. I can't even let you get close. Jet fuel in the tank. Big blues in the bank. I had to up on my rank. They couldn't do it like I can. No one can do it in tank. Okay, okay. Mission flyer. Spitting fire.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great rainy state of Florida today. If it's not sunny, it's raining, but that's Florida. Sometimes it's raining and sunny at the same time. So as you can see, the video I dropped yesterday was getting the GTO kind of diagnosed and see what was wrong with it. But then I had to cut my diagnosis short because on the test runs, not test run, but on the test drive, you know, you have to kind of step on it to get it going. The people down the street decided that they were going to call the cops on us because we had to get into it a little bit, and it's an industrial area, so it's an industrial streets pretty wide open, and just to get it through to do a couple of gear changes. So after that, after they came back, I just jumped in the car and I came home because I don't want no problems. I don't want to be pulled over, you know what I'm saying? Because I usually I always ride around you know, with my concealed carry, because I do have a concealed carry. It is Florida, and you never know when something may go off, or you know, sometimes they used to say sometimes you have to take lives to save lives. So you never know when you may have to save a life, and that life may be my own or my family's. So yep, so that's what you do. So I'm gonna go over, talk to Montana. I tell him, let him tell you what actually went down. So I actually saw the guy there with the camera trying to take pictures and stuff like that. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go home and park the car, and then we'll pull it out the transmission and see from there. But old school mission flyer shirt's gonna get some more made, and of course, I see that cheetahs, Air Max 1 cheetahs to go with the shirt.
So you got so mad at me yesterday when I drove your car.
No, I ain't get mad. So guys, I'm here back today. What I didn't tell you was, yes, 1300 horsepower Mustang.
Not yet. I'm working on it.
He's working on it. But when I got my buddy Montana to test my car, he got the cops called. So I was just driving by, and I was gonna like, you know what? I'm gonna go by, and I saw the guy out there on the phone with the cops taking pictures of a plate. I was like, you know what I did? I was like, I'm gonna just go home, take my black ass home, because you know what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? Do that.
Man, you black. You can't not. Listen, all right, I had the window down. They saw a white boy with a hard part, a fresh beard cut. All right. And he said, I'm going to call the cops on you. And I said, and I told him, I say, Romeo, they just called the cops on us. So their dog is hot, it's popping.
The block is hot.
Roll it back in. He said, oh, no, it'll be fine. And then like 2 minutes go by, and I'm like, yeah, it's been gone for a while. Let me check my phone.
I called you.
5 missed calls from this fool. And I'm like, yo, what happened? He said, oh, he was out there by the road taking pictures of my car.
I was like, I just went straight home, put it in the garage, put it outside, back it up, went in the house.
But to continue from yesterday, I drove the car that it didn't do the thing that he said. But it
doesn't. It doesn't.
It didn't do it.
It does. You know, cars do that when you take it to the place, but you know. All right, so here they are, guys. They're putting a transmission together. You know, I kind of know my transmissions on my time here. This is a 68 right here. From this stuff, this is just gonna be a Guardian type, you know, which is gonna be for towing capacity. Am I right? Or am I wrong? Huh?
Cat one.
Okay, what's that good for?
Towing.
I thought you was the expert. Why are you looking at him? You taught him, right?
Yeah.
So you're the master.
I'm not the master.
No, you have to be. To be a teacher, you have to be a master. Yes, you
No,
do.
you get better by teaching.
No, you lose your skills
No.
by teaching.
No, you
Because
get
you know what happened? The student is supposed to be better than the teacher.
What?
The student is supposed to become better than the teacher.
Yeah, look at me and Ernie. I far surpassed him.
See that guy over there with the creepy beard?
Oh, trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Aw.
What you doing?
Hair checking.
What you checking? Is it moving?
Yeah. Just make
Where?
sure that it's
I didn't
on.
see it move.
Look right here. Watch this.
Okay. Ah, I see it.
Making sure it holds there.
Hey, spit on it real quick. Feet on it. Every time you put a lube on, motherfucker don't slide in easy. Yeah, well.
There it is.
Now we spin the hub to line the clutches up with the splines, and boom.
So boom, just like that.
Just like that, baby.
I think after this, I could pull my transmission apart and put it back together by myself. What you think?
Sure. Give it a shot, man. The worst that can happen is it don't work.
It don't work now.
And you're good.
I have to send it to school. While I was over there at Suncoast, I picked up a few caps right here. So what I need to do is put it on my transmission over here so I could get rid of that Ziploc bag and to help it with my transmission fluid don't leak out by the time I get my clutch back. And then also I went by the dealership and I ordered a starter, so my starter came in. Don't mind my tool area is a little dirty right now because I've been working and got all the stuff in Ziploc bag. But right here is the starter. So with my what was it? When I took the transmission out, my starter looked like it had a little bit of chewing on it. So I just went ahead and ordered a new starter from my Dodge dealership. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And what I'm gonna do is probably on the next video, I'm gonna replace the starter. Show you guys I'm gonna replace the starter. Then I gotta take this one back. Well, not this one. Take the old one back so I could get a core credit for it. Man, it's a pretty beefy starter. So there it is. So there it is. My Mopar starter on mine. Now looking at it, I don't think I need it because the problem what I thought was I thought the teeth on these was a little chewed up, but looking at this one, it almost looks the same. But I already bought this starter, so I'm just gonna put it in anyway. And what I'll do, I'll take the other starter back out. I mean, put the other starter, but there's the, Chrysler starter. I'm gonna do this, replace this. I'm gonna compare the two when I do the video. I'm gonna take the old one out, compare them to look at the gears for starting. And I just didn't like how that one was looking anyway. It got some rust in it, so I'm gonna take it out, swap it out, do a quick video on that one, and then turn that other one in for the core charge. So that's gonna be the next video, is working on the little knick-knack stuff on the car while the transmission is out, to get it ready for race season, even though race season for me has already started and I already missed a few races, but better late than never, right? So that was just a quick video on what went down with Eleanor yesterday with getting the transmission diagnosed. Of course, when he did it, he was like, it shifted, but it seemed like it was fine. So one of the subscribers had suggested changing the fluids first and then go from there. But the parts are already ordered, so I rather update it now before I start doing any more mods to the engine, so I know that the trans will hold the power and won't have any problems with it. And then also I'm gonna do the next video with the Jeep, because people are complaining that I said I was gonna go mall crawling and I didn't go mall crawling because I'm a mall crawler. Well, I'm not the mall crawler, wife's a mall crawler, but yeah. But that's gonna do it for this video. And as usual, guys, if you like the videos, if you like what I'm doing, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon, ding, for future uploads. Like, share, and comment on the videos. And until the next video, guys, Mission Flyer out. Peace.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me to eat it. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. You cut throat from the low when no love goes. Women buddy like a